Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Hello guys, and welcome to Didi's Home Interior. My name is Didi. Welcome to my channel. On this channel, I do home decor, inspiration and ideas, and some organization. I also strive to show you how to create those homes that look way more expensive than they actually are. If this is something that you are interested in, please sit back, relax, stay tuned, and keep on watching. So if you're new to this channel, hello and welcome. If you're a returning subscriber or viewer, thank you so much for stopping by. One of the main goals of this channel is definitely to inspire you and not necessarily recreate what we are doing, but use our ideas and inspiration, blend them in with your own style, and create that perfect and unique space to you and your household. So if you like videos like this, do not forget to share this video with someone to inspire them to redecorate, clean and organize their home today.
Hi guys, my name is Daniela and I'm 6 years old, and I'm gonna introduce you to my mom today. We're gonna put ornaments today, so when you see it, have fun!
Okay guys, welcome to our official second episode of Christmas decorating ideas for 2023. So today we are tackling our 2 Christmas trees from King of Christmas. Thank you so much, King of Christmas, for sponsoring this portion of the video. So today we will be decorating 2 of our Christmas trees. Those are the only 2 trees I have up. And both of them are from King of Christmas. And you can also see we have lots of ornaments. I'm not going to use half of these ornaments for our trees because we were going for simple elegance and classic. As you can see, this particular night, the kids were having a blast. They really wanted to be part of our tradition, which is decorating our Christmas trees together. But this year, they were not making it easy for me at all. This is the only thing I bought for Christmas, which is this crystal ribbon from Amazon. I used some of it last year and I bought more this year for Christmas. And I was just going with these snowflakes and these crystals to use as the theme for our entryway tree. And oh my god, you will be amazed by how beautiful this looks. Our theme was royalty, and I cannot wait for you guys to see what we did for our royal tree in our entryway. Sit back, relax, because you're about to have so much fun and get so much inspiration for your tree this year or next year.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing?
I feel like it's awesome.
Okay, baby.
So let me try to find a white one. Oh, a white one. This one already has it. Mommy, this one already has it. Perfect.
Okay, princess.
Okay. Okay, we need a bun.
It's in my heart, but this
So as you guys can see, this was obviously a very fun night for the kids. I'm so happy that my kids are excited about Christmas, just as I am. The kids knew they were killing it, but in my opinion, I couldn't wait for them to go to sleep so I could just do my thing. But then I am excited to show you guys the reveal of what our tree looked like after I took over and did my thing. So this is what it looks like, and I am ready to show you guys every detail and why we did what we did on the tree. Like I had shown you guys earlier, we went with a crown because our theme was a royal classy theme for the tree, and I call this our queen flock classy royal tree. So guys, I hope you like it. And what do you think about a crown on a tree? What do you think about decorating for Christmas with your kids? Guys, it wasn't easy, but I did what I had to do. And unfortunately, I couldn't film the portion where I was putting everything. But I showed you guys some ideas on my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, please do. These ribbons were gotten from Walmart. I love them. And they were so beautiful because they brought the inspiration behind our royal tree, and I love it so very much. Then you can see we had different ribbon ideas and folding ideas, and of course I love every detail that came with the ribbons as well. Let me know what your thoughts are about decorating with ribbons. Remember, we also used the snowflakes like Daniela was showing you guys earlier, and some crystals just to bring some texture and elegance and class to the tree. This tree in total doesn't have more than 10 to 12 ornaments, but the ornaments were classy and beautiful. These ornaments were gotten last year from Hobby Lobby, and of course, every of the ornaments here was picked with love. Remember the crystals I showed you guys that I got from Amazon? I put them over the tree, and with all our crystal snowflakes and just beautiful crystals that hang around the tree just to create that classy and elegant tree. Let me know your thoughts about trees like this, if this is something you would do. If you're into color, I would suggest using ribbons that are colorful. But for me, I did a lot of color as a child, and I am loving just doing my own thing until the day my kids want to have the traditional Christmas. Then I will bring that style back. Let me know your thoughts about my Christmas tree or my first Christmas tree before we get into the details of the next Christmas tree. Okay guys, and this is our second tree we're going to be working with. This is the tree that is in the living room. It's an 8-foot tree, and this is what it looks like. The rest of the ornaments that were in use on the entryway tree are going to be placed in this tree. So I am going with a topper that is all crystal and white and snowy. I just wanted to create a really cute and full effect on the top as opposed to the entryway tree. Because I'm a short girl, of course, I need my ladder to climb up and do the job. So if you cannot reach, just use your ladder so you can do your topper. And I always do the topper first before I go ahead and decorate the rest of the tree. In the past, I tried to decorate the tree before doing the topper, and while I was climbing to do the topper on the tree, I messed up some of the decoration. So I would recommend that you do your topper first before you decorate the rest of the tree.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can.
Like I said earlier, our second tree, which is the tree in the living room, will be decorated with curtains. The curtains were gotten from Ross, and if you're not new here, you already know I'm a Ross shopper. If you're new, just letting you know that you're going to be hearing a lot of Ross in my videos. So I am a decorator on a budget. I try to show you how to create luxury decor for less. Now I folded this curtain and just used a branch around the Christmas tree, you know, to just hold it in place. And I just decided to create some folds, which I don't think I maintained as much, but yeah, that's the goal. And I'm just going to keep holding it down. I used 2 spots to hold the top and the bottom, and then let the rest of the curtain just flush on the side. I don't know if you understand, but that's basically what I did with all the curtains that I use for this video.
Till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
Right now I'm using poinsettias just to cover up the branch that was wrapped around the curtains, just to create that effect that looks seamless. So you don't want everybody that looks at the tree to know that you used the branch to wrap around the curtains. But we're using the poinsettias just to cover up all that, you know, that look of a full wrap around the curtains. So just to make it look really seamless and beautiful.
Longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated.
Another tip to decorate your tree is to identify the center of the tree and then use something that stands out. Initially, I thought I was going to use the poinsettia, which is the rose gold poinsettia that is there right now. Then I saw this bow and say, oh my goodness, I changed my mind and I want to replace the poinsettia with a bow. So that is the center of the tree. That's the main focus of the tree. That's what you see when you sit in the living room and you're looking at the tree. I will show you guys the entire thing in just a minute. So I took that poinsettia to the top of the tree.
I've longed for this moment.
So before putting the rest of the ornaments, I decided to go with this cute Merry Christmas ornament and just place at another center of the tree right underneath the topper. And I was amazed by how everything turned out. And listen guys, I cannot wait for you guys to see the reveal.
The first for you and me.
So I call this tree a Glamorous Crystal Pearls Lady in White. I love the details and elegance this tree brings. I love how dressed up she is, and oh my god, I don't think the camera is doing it any type of justice. Let me know what you think about the trees and which of them is your favorite.
What a feeling, now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true. That's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls. I've been kind to big and small. And now it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling when it's time for Christmas. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. I guess that spring and summer, they're all fine. But I've been waiting for the season that's mine. So let it come, yeah, let it come. Snowflakes fall, I can hear the sleigh bells call. They're saying it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling.